The effect is not supposed to be in G major 4, take 2. Oh gosh. Bill, you splashed my camera. Once I wipe it off, we'll do take 3. Oh my god. Bill, you crashed into the bridge. Don't worry, let's fix your boat and we'll do take 4. Cut. This is not Food Network, this is ABC Pictures. All I have to admit, Food Network went from 1993 to 2024. Okay, take 5. Cut. The image is not supposed to be sideways. How many times do I have to tell you this? Let's try again, take 6. Cut. Bill, you got to be serious. You can't go rocks all over, you have to go to your best friend Carl. Okay, I'll give you one last chance, and if you mess this up then the station ID will be cancelled. Great, now we have 4 more station IDs to go. Tomorrow is going to be the cuckoo clock ident.